The annual 3-week camp is held at the Absa Stadium, Durban, with a variety of lectures and practical courses on offer.
We've done this for a couple of years now. It's a fantastic time for us to bring some international guys across. We bring them from all over. This is specifically for the individual. We focus on the individual, and apart from that, from the individual, we do focus a lot on general core skills as well. So it's a holistic program and trying to cover all aspects. Normally it's between about 25 and 30 players, and we really take them through an intense course. Basically what happens at the Sharks, it's like 3 weeks with the Sharks and with the Sharks Academy.
The Sharks Academy lecturers include top rugby coaches and administrators and former players who share their skills and knowledge.
We've kind of come over here and everyone has accepted us in, kind of as if we're full members of the academy or whatever else. It's been really, really good. They've given us kind of all the necessary tuition and whatever else. I think it's a fantastic system. Kind of one of the points that's kind of made is that, you know, an awful lot of players who excel maybe at school and whatever else don't actually go on to be top professionals. So I think the Sharks Academy gives guys who maybe haven't been, you know, 100%, haven't been the complete stars at school, the opportunity to kind of develop and turn into first-class rugby players, you know.
With intensive training and fitness skills being put to the test, these young players are able to fine-tune their skills and develop a sense of team spirit. Leisure time is also important, and the trip to Thala outside Durban is a highlight of the camp.
What made me want to take part in this camp was to improve my own rugby, my personal rugby game, and just to get a feel for what South Africa's like, and just experience new cultures, and also to sort of see what a different style of play is like in the Southern Hemisphere compared to the Northern Hemisphere.
The highlights of the camp for me have been being able to work with former Springbok players, former Sharks players and stuff, and just getting all the knowledge that they have of rugby and all aspects of the game, looking at defense, offense, scrumming techniques, lineouts, all the different aspects of the game.
Relaxing and enjoying the Thala experience also includes tucking into a traditional South African braai. Thala, as always, offering the finest in braai fare in a sumptuous setting.